Day 4 of 365. This was the day I tried to make a customized notebook. The design was based from my son's liking. I used Canva to design this notebook cover and also the inserts. After I printed the notebook cover on a photo paper 200 GSM, I needed to score it. Kaya lang maliit yung scoring board na nabili ko. Kaya I need to reverse it pa para matapos lang yung scoring. Then afterward, I applied cold lamination. Dito palang hirap na ko. Pag nagkamali ka pala, as in mauulit mo yung notebook cover kasi madikit pala yun. I need to practice more. Ilagay na natin ang inserts ng notebook. Bali 40 leaves pala ito or 20 pages. A4 with 80 grams per square meter. Plan ko sana mag 50 leaves, kaya lang hindi kaya nitong nabili kong stapler. Pero kahit paano hinastapler ko naman ng ayos. After ma-stapler, need mo i-check on staple kasi need yun i-flat. Ito yun, last step nagpagawa ng notebook, so need pa yan ma-flat kasi nakabuka, diba?